Have you ever decided to just go in and try something and it came out perfect? This beef and liver fried rice, so good. First thing I did was to rinse off the steak. This is a New York strip steak. So I rinse it off and now I'm going in, slicing it into cubes. I'm just gonna cube them. I'm taking my time because it was ripping. So I had to take my time and just slice it. So if you have a sharp knife, it will work perfect. But this nice knife was so dull. Right? So we're just going in and just cut it up in some nice bite-sized pieces. And then we just place them in a bowl and seasoning lightly, maybe a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Alright, and we'll just combine that. Alright, and set aside for marinade. Alright, and I have some liver right here. So I'm gonna sprinkle a little all-purpose also. Give that a quick mix. And then set it aside. Alright, so I cut up some carrot and some onion. I'm gonna put them in a chopper, but I'm gonna dice this in about 3 first. Huh. Can you please say it go right down the middle instead of alright, I'm gonna also cut the onion. So we just cut it in a tray. I added to some mixed vegetables, so that's why I made it a little bit for color, really. Go to the onion. I just have a mince of some garlic. Mine are running on because may I see something on Facebook where TJ engaged to Maya and she accepted it. And when we read the comment section, people are saying in the comment section say she give him ultimatum. So I'm like, she been with this guy for so long. Are you wait till him cheat, then you give him ultimatum for marry to you? Like, why would you want to marry? These people, the world, well, everybody has their own way of doing things, but not after the embarrassment. No, brother, I stay single forever if I decide to stay. Because why would I want to marry that cheating ass? Why? I think that made no sense, but I feel in business. Their business, not mine. Yep, when I give up a man less for that, less than that, feel less than that. Or just want to tie myself to that. Ain't no way. Some people love heartache and headache and problem because ain't no way. I don't want no relationship to bring me them kind of drama there. Anyway, garlic ready. Alright, so we have some soy sauce. It's about 2 tablespoons. And we use the one that we get at the Chinese store. The free pot that I have, so I just put them in this. May I get rid of them. Alright, and then I go in with some oyster sauce. Alright, so I'm going about a tablespoon. And I'm gonna add some pure sesame seed oil. Not too much, just a couple drops. Combine that together.
Alright, and we'll set this aside. Alright, so I remove the eye. We're going with a little oil. Alright, and then we are going with the seasoned beef. with you right now. Cook. Just a little longer, baby. But my love keeps going stronger. A little more time. Also, I put this on high heat because we have to fry the rice basically. Have to put a little bit of, but it is what it is. Spread it out. Let it stay for like a minute or two. That's why I'm going to kind of on high heat and let it spin again.
Just add in some scallion because scallion make everything better. And guys, if you have made it this far, guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, guys, and I'll definitely see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.